Are you curious how you could change homely your writing nib from this pen or two-way or even being one way, replacing it with the extra nib? As you just see, it is very simple to do that. I've seen a lot of videos trying to elaborate it in one way or another. Actually, this is just a Wiwu pencil, so which is Wiwu pencil stylus with the two options of nibs, one which is this one, ring functions, and the other one is just like this, a normal ballpoint pen. So it's 2-in-1 Wiwu stylus pencil, which function on most of iPads and other accessories. iPad, but also on tablet it works as well. Yeah, so over here, for example, if I'm to show, you can see how it is writing. So let's say now our nib this doesn't function anymore and you want to exchange it with the extra nib or the one which came as your deck reserve. How do you do it? I've seen a lot of video trying to elaborate it to do it in one way or another, or maybe you need to have enough extra equipment. No, this you can just do it at home with zero extra equipment. How we're gonna do it? Let's go ahead. So first of all, you don't need even to open it inside. You just take your hand like this, no matter which hand you are using, and what you're gonna do, you can just try to touch it here at the front of the nib part and just pull slowly. You can see it has already started coming outside. Did you see it? You see it now. As it has already come outside, you can just pull it from here now, and thus it will be out. And then you can put this aside, open your reserve nib and take it from there like this, and you come with it. You hold it at the back where where you're gonna be using to write. You just touch it like there. If your pencil, it has the nib which is just flat like normal ballpoint pen, this way side also might need to hold it like that. So for mine is not like that. You hold it like this, and through the back point, you don't need to hit, you don't need to melt it using any kind of fire. You just touch it direct and you bring it over here. You keep it like this, slowly you attach it and you start pushing slowly, and there you go. We have already exchanged this. Super cool, super easy, from home devices without any extra required equipment. So that's how you can do it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you